Hello everyone and welcome to Katherine's Kitchen. Today we will be making coconut custard sucker bag. Let's get started. You're going to need 2 cups of water that you're going to put to boil on the stove, and you're also going to need an additional half cup of cold water that you're going to use to mix your custard in. So this is 3 tablespoons of custard, and I'm going to add it to my cold water. And when I say cold water, I mean like room temperature. You're going to wait till your water on the stove is boiling. And I'm just mixing my custard. Okay guys, so now our water is boiling. We are going to add our custard slowly. And we're going to keep stirring constantly, because you don't want to get lumps. You want to let your custard boil for about 5 minutes. And then you are going to add your coconut milk, and you're going to use 1.5 cups of coconut milk. So now I'm going to add 1.5 cups of coconut milk, and I'm going to let that boil again. Okay guys, so this is the base of my sucker bag. It's just a coconut and a custard mix that I've boiled until it is slightly thick. And I'm now going to add 1 cup of evaporated milk, 1 teaspoon of bitters, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, or you can use vanilla essence. Okay, and then I'm going to add 3 tins of condensed milk. And now you are going to leave this mixture to cool. Make sure that you stir it occasionally, because you don't want a skin to form on the top of it. When it's cool, you're going to use this size bag, and you are going to fill it to half, tie it, and you're going to put this into the refrigerator in the deep freeze to freeze. Okay guys, so now our mixture is cooled. So I'm going to just put it in a measuring cup. I'm going to pour a little in the cup, and I'm going to start filling my bags. You just open your bags, and basically I just put it on my table like this, and I pour. This amount is good. And you just tie your bag. And this is your sucker bag. You put it in your deep freeze, let it freeze, and you just enjoy.